Engineer Lubizo Kasi Mopokazekwe, KHS Session, Angami Sports Association now from Piegavor, Tia Hatu Sagasla, Mo, Tia HS Session, Ukrataki City, Angami Sports Association, Chatakasla, Ugo Betego, Babo Canina Genasimo. Zero, Kazipe Christmas, can you reward the media fraternity, media Temikoha, publicity, sessions, or get a salary, capacity, but talk the chair away. Tiago Tizodi, Kavijakra, Tipe Balito, Dunia, Zadia, Rajaga Vorgo, Raja Games, Mupet Perigogo, Raju Katizadi, Kavijakra Popo, Kazia Sawade, Muka Krata, Kazia Sawagadas. Silide, Deri, Dumutiera, Jakavorgo, overall champions, how Tiri, Tijanuki, get the Chadio. Ugo, Tiovatiano, Asa, Reserva Hipping over Hono, Ugo, Reserve Bizokimo, Uti from Mila, Ugo, Chakhroma City, Kamatsaka Church, Musuno, Folk Tune, Uti from Milano, Kavito, Circulier, Kichaliro. Western Angami Youth Organization. Khuochiezie Segedo, Ogo, Asa President in General Libizo, Kasiebo, Khuochiezie Segedo. Angami Youth Organization. Please come up here. Corley. Second, Kevito Kenya Chukilio, Southern Angami Sports Association. Kevito Seo, Northern Angami Sports Association. To call it Ruby. How you me forget me tagacha. Kevi talk in here, Chukili, Southern Angami Sports Association. Uti from Yelano, Tati Feno. Kevi talk Chukili, Northern Angami Sports Association. So no, me forget me tagacha, me forget tigacha war cry. Hano kevi talk Chukileki Charlie Raw, Southern Angami Sports Association. Kevi talk in ye Luro, Chakhroma Youth Organisation. Kevi talk se Luro Western Angami Youth Organisation. Khuochiezie di Kole Revi. How you trumpet blowing? Ketsake cool. Don't just say that. Trumpet blowing you individual champions near. Abino ni humo ni ketule bel ho ni do je seta dale so si no ni chuko ke ne no le ke chede ho ke vitro se che ke le me fe ke me tsa ke che wa yo trumpet blowing ho no le ro ke tsa ke ko ki chapo re bide mo ke vitro che ke le ro Northern Angami Sports Association. Silva, Ugo athletic events no, athletics no, individual champions, nearly raw, Tenugo, women's individual champion, Abino Niho, Southern Angami Sports Association, 3 gold medals and 2 silver medals, gold medals in 100-meter race, 200-meter race, long jump, and silver in 400-meter and triple jump. How can Nibo, Abino Niho, Avulro, Vogata, Asati, Chepengo, Rejunore, Tenugo individual champion for teacher dear Balodi, teacher Penguin Lavodi, Kevin Tosagala Hore, Ukanibo, Visa Saje, so sitting chair. Yeah, Asava, Reserva Hippingohano, Tepuko, athletic events no, individual champion, Niketulia Belho. Northern Angami Sports Association, 4 gold medals in 100-meter race, 200-meter race, long jump and high jump. Ugo Naga Wrestling Junior category lalero Ugo advisor Asa advisor Katao Vili Hungujo Khuochiezie la shadio Ugo group champion no Kevi to Sechakali ki Chaulero Southern Angami Sports Association group champion in junior Southern Angami Sports Association Ford. Southern Angami Sports Association. Placed Ford in group champions. Cecile, Kevin Tossechiclia, Chakhroma Youth Organisation. A cash award of rupees 5,000 for group champion in junior category position. Cecile, Wayomo Nasanyiri to Korarivi. Kevin Tossechiclia. Group champion, no, junior category, no, Chakhroma Youth Organisation. No, group champion, no, Kevi To Kenya Chikile, Western Angami Youth Organisation. A cash award of rupees 15,000. Cecile Kevi To Chikile, Northern Angami Sports Association. A cash award of rupees 20,000. Northern Angami Sports Association. Give a big hand for them. Group champions in junior category. A cash award of rupees 20,000. Cecile, best tactic in junior category and quarter finalist in junior category, losing quarter finalist. Best tactic. The Chugo Keneono, jury board go get Savodi, Tezasepar Gashuluro. None other than the champion in junior category, Nicker Hezo Junior of Western Angami Youth Organisation. A cash award of rupees 5,000 for the best tactic in junior wrestling championship. Quarter finalist score. Rodilio Sote Northern Nasa Ketusele Mesalo Wayo. Kevi soni usu nasa mo menyovilia lungo nasa. Best tactic, Nicky Rezo. Please come here. You know, quarter finalists in junior category. Okay, the quarter finalists in junior category. Rodilu sote nasa katusili mesalo wayo kevi soni usu nasa menyovilia lungo nasa. Quarter finalists. Rodilo Sote Nasa Sote Northern Angami Sports Association. Chitie Angami Mie Keneono, Nichugo Keneono, Kevi Togodono, Kevi To Die Chikeleoluro. Can visit your go-to Western Angami Youth Organisation. Coming from bottom. Kevito Sechigilio, Sevizo Meta, Northern Angami Sports Association. Kevito Kenya Chigilio, Manuelia Chipwa Nasa. Kevito Die Chigilio. Can visit your go-to Western Angami Youth Organisation. Kevito, Nichugo Keneono, Kevito, Seulalo, Kevija Krakasekisha, Soleo Zumo. Junior category no, Kevito Kenya, Chikilio, Menulele, Chepo, Northern Angami Sports Association. The prize sponsored by Mr. Medoto Vitu. And the champion in junior category. Nicker Hezo Junior, Western Angami Youth Organisation. The prize sponsored by Mr. Jimirio. Sorry, Engineer Vimete Pusa. Now for the senior category, the prize shall be handed over by the ASA President Engineer Lobizo Khuochiezie. Champion Liro, Kevi Tochegele Liro, Northern Angami Sports Association, no Western Angami Youth Organisation. So Sio Kevi Tokinia Chegele, Southern Angami Sports Association, Mo Kevito Sechgalia Chakhroma Youth Organization. Kevito Chagalia Timye Kichanye Nasa Mo Wayo Unye Rakalakwo Ngupreledo Unye Point Hetania Soro Nguprelia. Kevito Kenye Chikilolo Southern Angami Sports Association, a cash worth of rupees 60,000. Kevito Sechele Gichauloro Chakhroma Youth Organization, a cash worth of rupees 40,000. Senior category, all of you, please come up here. Madosatio Panio, Kevisers, the Vicha, Kevija Kosho Krie, Sale Nakro. Senior category, no, Rezuke Borno, Best Tactic, Tedo Kevito, no, Ozabargeluro, Engineer Masulusia Nagi, Western Angami Youth Organization, a cash award of rupees 10,000. The best tactic in senior category, Masulusia Nagi. The quarterfinalists in senior category. Firstly, Medosatio Paonyo of Northern Angami Sports Association. To be followed by Kevisers Devicha. Medosatio Paonyo of Northern Angami Sports Association. Next, Kevisers Devicha, Northern Angami Sports Association. Next, Kevija Kosho Kriya, Western Angami Youth Organization. And lastly, Sesale Nakro, Chakhroma Youth Organization. Kevija Kosho Kriya, Western Angami Youth Organization. Top 4 winners in senior category. Please come up here. Chitie Angami Mie Kenegavono, Pichuko Geneono, Kevito Die, Shekeleolero, Visa Ketio Shohu, Northern Angami Sports Association. The 4th position, Visa Ketio Shohu of Northern Angami Sports Association, a cash award of rupees 50,000, sponsored by Mr. Rovito Nipi. Board in senior and junior category, the prize sponsored by G Sports Chumakadima. Kevito Sechagilio, Engineer Masilusia Nagi, Western Angami Youth Organization, a cash award of rupees 80,000, the prize sponsored by Mr. Tino Heko Secher. Kenye Chigaliu, Kejavizo Tevo, Northern Angami Sports Association, a cash award of rupees 1,20,000, the prize sponsored by Sons of Lead R. Ketore Mekro. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the champion in senior category, lifting the title for the second time, 2018 and 2022, Keja Selio Piena, representing Northern Angami Sports Association, will receive a cash award of rupees 2 lakhs, the prize sponsored by Mr. Khuochiezie. And lastly, we have the overall champions. To be jointly handed over by the ASA President and the advisor, Willie Hunguja. The overall champions, Angami Sports Association, they will receive a cash worth of rupees 1 lakh along with trophy. But before that, let me read out the final medal tally. Kevi Thot Diechekele, Chakhroma Youth Organisation, gold Kenya, silver for bronze for, total medal 4. Kevi Thot Western Angami Youth Organisation, gold se, silver for bronze se, total medal 7 medals. Kevi Thot Kenya Chekele, Southern Angami Sports Association, gold kere for, silver kere, bronze kere, total 31 medals. Kevi Tokodono, Tilva Angami Sports Association Reserva Hipengo, Regional. Kevi Tokodono, Kevi Tochekele, overall champions. The Northern Angami Sports Association with 27 gold medals, 31 silver medals, and 12 bronze medals, a total of medals. A big hand for the Khuochiezie ko kevija ka keshe tipe balide mo tieti zode le bubu ke labie ke ho seshe ke bao engineer Zelo Vinagi General Secretary Angami Sports Association Tashia.
Prize distribution chola ini dilutu secha tejiwe chiva tiu liro u Angami me kene me go kedake le go u Angami me suchdi labodi Nagaland Wrestling Championship nu Rizala Sageto ko Teza Prasodo Muputi Hauliro Ugo Assad Wrestling Secretary Visa Krolvitu Puti Uselido.
Rumurgesho Assad Reserva Hipengu Gekam Hatochi Hano Ke Usegata Je U Assad Sudi vo NWN gen내게 되고 비츠고무 내주고시리 대사고 개버시스디오 비츠고 gen내누 우고 미끼를 타타 우 아사츠디 우 아사수츠디 vo NWN gen내게 되고 계속 설려 변 나사 계정 비조테보 NASA Masilushe Nagi Wayo Visa Ketyo Shohu NASA CSale Nakro Siwayo Medosato Pano NASA Kevisir Zivitsa NASA Kevijako Shokre Wayo Luvikoto Vaka Wayo Kevisezo Nipu Wayo Seketiko Nipu Wayo Seye Jale Guire Wayo Kininguzo Peseye Wayo Seye Tiso Rutsa Nasa Atyo Devo Sasa Mezivi Kiso Sasa Nitomule Kotsu Sasa Mu Jeselatyo Kiretsa Nasa Ugo Mikire Tata Tsugubu Pitsugo Kenenu Ugu Asasuchdi and the Blake Kenenu Vodo Sushi under 16 U Asa Suchdi Vukenegatigo Niker Hezo Zun Wayo Menyolelie Tsupo Nasa Seyevizo Meta Nasa Ketuselie Masalu Wayo Menyovilie Lungu Nasa Herdilhu Sote Nasa Mu Kevisoniu Asu Nasa Sugo under 16 Ugo Mekireta Bu Mietata Tsugobu, who Asatsudivo, and the Blake and 给那个多出别西西呀。